Hey guys, what's up? Miles, and this is MF Outdoors, and I'm super excited. We just got a new toy hauler. Well, not new, but slightly used. Needs a little work. And yeah, come on in. Here it is. Tell us what you think. Not bad. This is just the beginning. We're gonna completely remodel this thing. It's nice, it's all there, but needs a little TLC, some rust up front on the frame, a little rust on the stairs here, and yeah, this is it. Came with whatever all this stuff is here. Got a like tire cover, tarp, the jack handle, and some other stuff. So this is what I'm working on right now. Got some rust on the frame here. I'm going to sand off most of this rust and paint the front of this thing. Got some new batteries for it. Already got some tires. Got some new Goodyears on it. Got to have some good tires. And yep, need to replace a few things, but nothing that can't be done. Should be kind of a fun little project. And yeah, this is it. Casa de Francis Mobile.